Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're planning any construction, renovation, or fit-out project in Dubai, this video is for you. My name is IFTIKHAR Ahmed, and I am a professional AutoCAD freelancer in Dubai with 16 years of experience across the UAE. I specialize in preparing high-quality technical drawings and handling submissions for all major authorities to help you get your approvals quickly and smoothly. Whether you are opening a new restaurant, cloud kitchen, cafe, or doing a villa modification, I provide complete drawing packages that comply with current rules and regulations. What services I offer? First, Dubai Municipality, DM submissions. I prepare full fit-out drawings and handle approvals for restaurants, commercial spaces, and more. This includes DM food safety layout approvals for kitchens, restaurants, cafeterias, and cloud kitchens. I make sure your kitchen layout meets all food safety requirements, proper segregation, ventilation, grease traps, workflow, hand washing stations, and everything needed to pass inspection without delays. I also handle submissions for DCD, Dubai Civil Defense, Trapeze, Nakheel, Concordia, and all major malls in Dubai. My drawings are accurate, professional, and prepared exactly as per each authority's latest standards. For restaurants and cafes with outdoor seating, I prepare complete drawings for RTA, outdoor sitting area approvals. This helps you expand your space legally and avoid any fines. If you own a villa, I prepare villa modification plans and drawings for NOC approvals from DMAC, MR, Nakheel, and other major developers. From small changes to major renovations, I ensure your plans meet community guidelines and DM requirements. Additionally, I create detailed HVAC and ventilation plans for residential and commercial projects. Proper ventilation and air conditioning drawings are crucial for comfort, energy efficiency, and authority approvals. Why choose me? 16 plus years of hands-on experience in Dubai and UAE expert in AutoCAD drawings for fit-out, food safety, MEP, and modifications. Fast turnaround time to help you meet project deadlines, 100% compliance with DM, DCD, RTA, Trapeze, and developer regulations. Many successful projects across restaurants, cloud kitchens, villas, and commercial fit-outs. I work with contractors, business owners, interior designers, and property owners who want reliable, professional drawings without the hassle of going back and forth with authorities. If you are facing issues with approvals, need new drawings, or want to modify your existing plans, I can help you save time, money, and avoid costly rejections. How to contact me? Feel free to reach out via WhatsApp or email. Just send me your project details, plot number, type of project, and any reference drawings, and I will provide you with a quick quotation. I'm based in Dubai and ready to support your next project immediately. If this video helped you understand the approval process in Dubai, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more useful videos on Dubai approvals, AutoCAD tips, and F&B setup guides. Drop your questions in the comments below, whether it's about DM food safety kitchen layouts, villa NOCs, or RTA outdoor seating. I read all comments and will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you on your Dubai project. Have a great day.